Thank you very much for purchasing your Glyon Balto electric scooter. Once you've received your package in the mail, you'll want to unbox it and make sure you have the following parts. When you open the box, you will have the scooter body, the basket, the luggage vertical stand and rack, the battery, mirror, 2 handles, the base to the seat, battery charger, the seat itself, a manual, and 2 Allen wrenches, one 3mm and one 5mm. Now I'm going to show you how to unfold your Glyon Balto electric scooter. First, you're going to want to remove the white zip tie at the top using a scissors or a snippers. Being careful to only remove the white zip tie. Just like that. Next, after you remove the bubble wrap, you're going to want to grab the handlebars and lift and rotate up, and when it gets close, you're going to want to step on the standing board and press down until you hear a resounding click, making sure that it is fully locked in place. Then you lower the kickstand, and we are ready for the next step. Next, we're going to engage the folding release lever. Now this is an additional safety to make sure that the scooter does not accidentally unfold while using. You'll lift it up and then rotate it down, and it will be tight, and it's tight for your safety. Next, at this point, you're going to want to loosen the folding hook from its travel location. You will loosen this with the 3mm Allen wrench, and then rotate it in the vertical position, tightening it back into place. Making sure that it is snug, but not over tightening so that you will strip out the bolt. Now, this allows us to hook into this location for traveling so that it won't accidentally pop open during transit. Now, I'm going to show you how to install the brake handle and the handlebars. You're going to want to remove the travel safeties. Take the already attached brake handle, slide it onto the tube. Now, do not tighten it yet. We will tighten it in a moment. Now, you're going to take your handle grip, insert it into this hole until it sits in there nicely. Then you're going to take your 5mm Allen wrench, insert it into the end, into the bolt, and tighten. Now, you're going to want to tighten this as hard as you can to make sure that it stays snug, because you don't want these to come off while using the scooter. There, once it's tightened, you're going to want to move the brake handle as far towards the handle grip as you can, and then tighten it into place. Again, making sure that it is very snug. Now we are going to repeat the handle on the opposite side. Remove the shipping safety. Insert the handle into the slot, and then tighten. Again, making sure to tighten snugly as you can. Now we're going to install our side mirrors. We recommend this mirror be installed on the left side. You place the mirror into the slot, just like the handle grips, and once inside, you're going to use your 3mm Allen wrench to tighten the bolt inside. Again, making sure that it is snug so as to not lose the mirror. And now we are going to install the handle grip plug. It sits in the side and snaps into place. Now we are going to install the Balto's battery. You're going to want to take the battery and install it into the battery docking station right here. The little plugs right here sit onto the little metal straps, and it slides into place. Then you're going to want to take your keys, which are attached to the handlebars, and lock the battery in place. Now, to attach the strap, there are two little knobs here that you want to make sure you get both attached. The trick is to get the first knob on first, and then the second knob slides on much easier. Now we are going to install the luggage/vertical standing rack. It sits down on these metal pieces right here, slides on very smoothly, lift the locks in place, and it's ready to go. Now we are going to insert the seat. First, you're going to want to remove the rubber seat post stop and flip it and store it right behind the seat post, just so it doesn't get caught on anything. Then you're going to want to release the quick release. Take the lower seat post and lower it, and it has a spot where it snaps in place and sits there. Then you're going to want to lock the quick release, and now that is installed. Now we are going to take the seat and insert that into the lower seat post. Now there are graduated marks on this that show you how far the minimum distance to make sure it is for your safety. So you want to make sure that when you insert the seat, you go beyond those marks. Once you get there, lock it in place, and again, making sure that these are tight for your safety. Now we're going to attach the basket. The basket sits right on top of the luggage rack, and you take your Velcro straps and wrap them around to make sure that it sits nice and snug. There are 4 Velcro straps to make sure that everything stays nice where it's supposed to be. The last step is charging the battery for your Balto scooter. Once you plug your battery charger into the wall, the LED light will turn blue. Once you plug the charger into the battery, the LED light will turn red. When the battery is fully charged, the LED light will turn green. For those of you that have purchased the 3-amp battery charger, we will have a separate video for that. Now we will plug the battery charger into the battery. On the bottom of the battery, there's a rubber stopper that you need to pull off, and you can insert the charging spot. And as you see, once it starts charging, the LED light turns red. All Balto scooters are sent out with about a 50% charge. We recommend that all batteries be fully charged before operating the scooter. That wraps up the assembly of the Balto electric scooter. For more information, see our operational video.